Alanduo reviews pricing explained what you get for your money. If you've stumbled on the brand Alanduo browsing social ads that show beautiful linen blend dresses and unique Japanese art prints, we're not alone in the catches. Most people get this wrong by trusting the visuals and ignoring reviews. The truth? Alanduo's pricey and value may be far from what the product promises. Alanduo presents as a fashion brand offering linen or cotton blend dresses, jumpsuits and sweaters at mid-range prices. But review sites paint a different picture. One reviewer stated, "The clothing I ordered were described as cotton linen blend. It definitely is not. It is definitely synthetic." Site Transerk on Trustpilot and forums, dozens of buyers complain of cheap material, bad fit, misleading pictures and poor customer service. What you get if everything goes right: unique design, aesthetic appeals and ideas that stand out from generic fast fashion. Potentially a lower price than premium to liner alternatives. What you give up risk. Many reviews described that the fabric turned out cheap polyester instead of linen and a cotton blend. Site Transerk returns and refunds seem complex or unsatisfactory. Cuts, finishes and sizing reportedly inconsistent. The initial price you pay may end up being wasted if you never wear the item or if it doesn't meet expectations. Here's how to evaluate. Step 1. Search for independent reviews of the specific brand, especially recent ones. Many buyers report disappointment with Alanduo. Step 2. Compare the price versus known trusted brands that also sell linen and cotton blend clothes. Step 3. Check the fabric content label. When you receive the item, make sure it matches description. Step 4. Decide usage. If you wear an item many times and the fabric is truly premium, the cost spreads out. If just one's risk high. You won't believe what happens next when you don't vet online fashion brands. You pay mid-range, expect good quality, get substandard material, and then face returns hassles. The surprising truth: a beautiful ad doesn't guarantee quality or value. In conclusion, with Alanduo, unless you're willing to accept significant risk and understand the trade-off, the pricing may not reflect real value. If you're cautious, compare alternatives, read reviews carefully and consider whether a trusted brand might give better peace of mind. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more online store reviews and what you're really paying for.